Pluton is a system of deep space communications and planetary radar. It was built in Deep Space Communications Center near Yevpatoria in 1960, and consists of at least 3 antennas. 3 of them are the AD-1000 design, an assembly of 8 reflector antennas, each with diameter of 16 meters. At the North Station, 2 receiving antennas were built, and a transmitter was constructed 8.5 kilometers away at the South Station. Each receiving dish has a Cassegrain system with sub-reflectors mounted on quadrupods in front of the dishes. The dishes were placed on 2 hulls of diesel submarines, welded together and laid down on the railway bridge trusses. The antennas of AD-1000 were mounted on steerable frames constructed from battleship gun turrets and railway bridge trusses. The Pluton complex supported all the Soviet space programs until 1978, when the Yevpatoria RT-70 radio telescope was built. Then the Pluton became a backup system for the RT-70. The Pluton complex was the world's highest-capacity deep space communication system prior to Goldstone in 1966. In 1961 it performed one of the world's first radar detection of the planet Venus. In June 1962 it performed the world's first successful radar detection of the planet Mercury. In February 1963 it performed successful radar detection of the planet Mars. In September to October 1963 it performed successful radar detection of the planet Jupiter. On 19 and 24 November 1962, the words Mir, Lenin, and SSSR were sent in the direction of the star HD 131336 in the constellation Libra. These messages are the first radio broadcasts for extraterrestrial civilizations in the history of mankind. Sometime around November 11, 2013, one of the 3 antennas was dismantled. In 1963, Bernard Lovell was the first Westerner who visited this site. In 2009, Lovell spoke of a claimed assassination attempt in Deep Space Communications Center during the Cold War, where the Soviets allegedly tried to kill him with a lethal radiation dose. Missions. His Deep Space Communications System, VENDRA-1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -9, -10, -11, -12, Mars-2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. 1995 to 2000 INTERBALL1. November 16, 1996 Mars 96. As planetary radar, 1961 April 18 and 26 radio location of the planet Venus. However, the initial value of the O deduced and the time for the planet to rotate were incorrect. These were later corrected to agree with other groups. June 1962, after increasing the sensitivity of the receiving equipment, the world's first radio location of the planet Mercury. October to November 1962 second radar study of Venus. February 1963 radio location of the planet Mars. September to October 1963 radio location of the planet Jupiter. Radio astronomy. April 1964 study Crab Nebula. 2004 study coronal holes.